Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my vanity tour, what is behind me, my backdrop. I'm going to show you everything, and then I'm also going to be organizing my makeup collection because after the Sephora sale and my birthday, I just have completely lost track of all of my makeup and it's just a disaster. So I want to kind of go through everything and organize it with you guys, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's get into it. So this is the background you guys see in most of my videos. This is my vanity, and this is where I do my makeup every single day. So up here I have my brushes from large to small, and then I also have these pictures on top, which is kind of lighten up the space a little bit and kind of pull it together. Without the frames, it just looks very cluttered with this shelf right here, and it just kind of adds a really nice touch to it. This right here is an aloe and charcoal spray. I have an Anthropology candle. I have a collection of shells. I have my friend's wedding invitation back there, a thank you note, a cream, and the sage antibacterial spray, which actually smells very lovely. And then down here on my vanity, I have a Bath & Body Works peppermint candle. I have some business cards and 2 notebooks and my crystal. And then I have this little box here which elevates this plant, which is fake. I have my Body Hero lotion, another sage spray. I have this empty candle jar which carries all of my Balm.coms, my perfume, and another lip balm from Tarte. This glass jar carries all my beauty blenders, and I'm actually missing one there from the makeup I just did. And then this little one has this little pen from Harrods that my mom got me, and these 2 lip liners that I'm really loving. And then this little tray is from IKEA. I keep my memory cards here, and then all of my extra facial sprays, and this is a brush cleaner. And then here is a picture of me on my graduation day, a lip balm, a Lauren Conrad Celebrate book, and then my neon heart. So that's an overview of what's on my vanity and what you guys see in the background of my videos. Today I'm gonna go through and organize my makeup, and so that's what we'll get into right now. So inside my dresser I have this drawer right here, which is actually for a keyboard. There we go. So this is all of my everyday makeup, and I am going to go through this and kind of take out some stuff that I can rearrange and just make sure that I'm using all of these products on a daily basis, or I'm going to be moving them into these drawers right here. And so now I'm going to go into the drawers in my vanity. The ones that store makeup are the bottom 2. So I'm going to go to the middle one. And as you can see, it's a cluttered mess. So what I'm gonna do is pull everything out on my desk and go through it so that I can see everything, and then I'll put everything back one by one. Okay, so now everything is out of that drawer and onto my desk. It's looking very cluttered and very disorganized. And so now comes the hard part. This is the organizing part. I'm going to start separating things and start putting things back into the drawer. Okay, so now you can see that this entire drawer is organized. I have my larger palettes back here, and then all the way down to my chocolate bar palette, which is like a regular size palette. And then I have my smaller ones, which are my ColourPop ones, and just mini palettes over here, easily for me to see and access. And then I have some extra compacts, which are like highlighters and a few blushes, just the ones that I don't use on a daily basis. And then over here I have like my Milk makeup sticks, 2 extra foundations that I don't use on a daily daily basis. I have another stick foundation, like this blue highlighter drops that just aren't a daily item for me, and then this Tarte primer, and then over here I have some makeup wipes that I use for like swatching and things like that. I don't use them to take off my makeup, that's why they're in here and not my bathroom. And then here I have my little swatch color switch, and then I have like this compact mirror in here, and then I have a random Real Technique sponge, which is kind of looking dirty, so I may actually toss this. It's kind of looking gross. So now that this drawer is looking really tidy and organized, I'm gonna head to the next drawer. So as you can probably tell, this drawer gets neglected the most. It has just a collection of odds and ends. It also has a bunch of my backup purchases that aren't yet opened, and I want to make sure that there's a space for those items and not necessarily just thrown in this drawer. So instead of taking everything out of this drawer, I'm just going to reorganize it. And I think this drawer is just a matter of moving things around to reorganize, because everything pretty much has its spot. You can kind of see here that this is covering up all of these lip glosses and things like that. Once I remove this, it pretty much is organized. I just have to kind of take these random things out and kind of find a spot for them. So that's not going to take me too long. I'm going to do that really quickly. Oh my god! I probably lost this for like a month, maybe even 2 months. I really was not expecting that. I'm so happy with the way that this drawer turned out. It's so much more organized than I could have ever imagined. At the back there I have all of my repurchases and like my backups and things like that. I have my mascaras, my Fix Plus, my lip liners and lip crayons. This is gonna bug me. My ColourPop lippy sticks, a bunch of those perfume samples, both here and in here. I'm probably gonna have to go through those and just make sure I have the ones that I want. I have my lip pencil sharpener, I have my nail scissors and my eyelash curlers in there. I have a hand cream, some lip products over there in those little cups. Everything has its own spot now and everything just looks so much more organized, and it's so much easier for me to get in and out of all these products and find everything. Okay, so I'm going to give you an overview of the drawers. This is the bottom drawer that I just finished. And then this one right here is the finished product of my second drawer with my palettes and everything. And then over here, we have my finished everyday drawer. I didn't do too much to this. I just kind of moved some things around in there a little bit and just kind of got rid of some empty products. These are the products that I use on a daily basis, so I wanted to keep them organized and at my fingertips. Oh my god, you guys, I feel so much better after reorganizing my makeup. Now I just feel like I can breathe again. I love organizing and I love getting everything in order and finding a place for everything. If you guys enjoyed my vanity tour and my makeup organizing, then please give it a like down below and subscribe. We are so close to hitting 2,000 subscribers and I'm so excited because I really want to do a giveaway when I hit 2,000, just because I want to give back to you guys, because I'm so thankful for all of you that have subscribed. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!